Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of unboxing. So today we are going to do an unboxing for the Inno64 Tofugarage Nissan Silvia S14 with the NFS Heat livery. So this is a special edition model produced by Inno64 in collaboration with Tofugarage. Now I must say I am really impressed by this packaging. So if you guys are aware, they also released Inno64 also released another Tofugarage series before, which contained a Nissan Skyline. Even that packaging was looking awesome. So before we go into the unboxing, I would also like to take this opportunity to do a huge shout out to Little Lucas Toys for basically bringing these cars to Australia, as they were the first to get them down and post it to their customers before anyone else. So if you are in Australia and are looking to buy diecast models, I would suggest you go and check their website in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So before I open up the packaging, let's do a quick walkthrough on the packaging. So on the front you have the Inno64 and Tofugarage, including the model of the car with the NFS livery. And on the side you have the car's model, which is Nissan Silvia S14 Rocket Bunny Boss Aero. And on the rear side of the packaging you have the details of Inno64. And also it says Nissan Motor Corporation, and it's an official licensed product. Right, so that's the packaging. Now let's open up the box. Okay, so if I open this up, you can see how thoughtfully they have designed this packaging. Inno64 has done a great job when it comes to designing this packaging, and also I love the background garage doors that comes in this acrylic box that basically complements this car very well. So let me take this out, keep that aside. So it's the car. You also have a lovely metallic base, which says it's a special edition Nissan Silvia S14 Rocket Bunny Boss Aero and Tofugarage. Basically the base complements the car's body color, and you also have the Inno64 logo. So let's take this out from the base. Wow, this car looks awesome. The side of the car, you can see that it has the NFS Heat logo with the Puma sponsor decals, and also you have the Tofugarage logo. The wheels don't rotate in this car, but I really like the chrome finished wheels on this car, and also you can see the brake discs within the wheels of this particular model. If you look closer, you can see that the side mirrors are also detailed, and this is the front side of the car. You can see the front lights as well as the turn signal lights are also done in plastic. So that's the rear side of the car. You have the large Tofugarage logo on its spoiler, and also the rear lights are quite detailed, and you also have the Nissan logo printed on the rear side. You also have the chrome colored exhausts on this car, and you can also see the sponsor decals on the rear windshield. You can also see the roller cage inside this car if you look closer. So that's the rear. So guys, overall I think it's a great looking car. Inno64 has done a great job in designing and detailing this particular model. So I would definitely recommend you collectors out there to basically spend your money on this and then have it as part of your collection. So guys, that's about it. That's about the unboxing. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified when we upload new videos. Until next time, stay tuned.